Michael Bielat, Operations Manager and Manufacturer at Blackhawk Manufacturing Group, a division of Blackhawk Industrial. Blackhawk Industrial is a worldwide industrial distributor of cutting tools, MRO, PPE, Jansan, fluids, you name it, we basically distribute it. In my shop in Carroll Stream, Illinois, we use a lot of stuff that a cutter grinder shop would love to use. We use presetters from Lyndex-Nikken, which has been a huge game changer for our shop and has offered us the capabilities that our customers are looking for. We also use their holders, as our customers do, to make sure we have repeatability from our shop to the customer. We choose Lyndex-Nikken because they're a strategic supplier for Blackhawk Industrial, and it's easy to purchase from them, it's easy to deal with them. We get quotes within an hour or two at most. And overall, their products are superior to a lot of stuff we have used in the past. Our customers benefit from Lyndex-Nikken presetters because we're able to do printouts, we're able to save their programs so they get repeatability each and every time without us having to reset up any programs that we have in another presetter of ours. And it's easier because some of our customers use the same presetter, so they know if they're getting our printout and we're inspecting to their presetter, they know it's going to be good quality just like at their shop. Using Lyndex-Nikken presetters, our shop and our customers are getting repeatability and also service. If there's something that we don't know how to do, we could literally make one phone call and get an answer within 5 to 10 minutes. And a lot of times we'll have a site visit where it's a learning opportunity for both of us because we do a lot of complex tooling. So a lot of this is new for both Lyndex-Nikken and Blackhawk Manufacturing Group. So by working together, we have that good business relationship. The best thing for working with it is the customer service and the people we deal with on a daily basis through Lyndex-Nikken. We do not get this service with a lot of local vendors, so it's good to have somebody in our backyard that can do what we need when we need it.